Hello guys, welcome to another episode of IDS Plus YouTube channel. And today I'll be telling you about Bluehost Web hosting service and why I think it's one of the best choice for beginners. Now let's go to the screen and see. Alright, I'm about to show you around Bluehost right now. So first of all, Bluehost is one of the easiest web hosting service for beginners. It's one of the easiest web hosting service for beginners. And one of the features you get to, one of the benefits is there is always this first timer cheaper. So what I mean by first timer cheaper is for the first year you get to pay $2.95 monthly for the first year, after which it returns to the actual price for the other years. So that's the first time cheaper. Under the shared hosting, these are the package. You have the basic, plus, choice plus, and pro. So let's click on this basic right now, and you see another thing is Bluehost offers free website migration. If you already have your website with another hosting service but you're planning to move on to Bluehost, you can do that for free. That's one of the benefits. And under this, with Bluehost you get blog management easier. You get to manage your blog, respond to comments, and some other features without having to go to your WordPress all the time. You can do that right from your Bluehost dashboard. With Bluehost also you get free SSL and domain for 1 year. Free email marketing resources, and 24 hours access to customer support. That is the sweetest. 24 hours access to customer support. With Bluehost, anytime you have a down service or any problem with your hosting, you can always contact Bluehost either by chat, call, or email, and you get instant support. Simplicity in web creation. Bluehost is so easy to use for web creation. That's why it is mainly targeted towards beginners. And it's so easy to move around. It's so easy to set up and everything. Okay, let's check these new features from Bluehost, which is the website builder. You get free theme updates and plugin with the new updates from Bluehost, the website builder. Now to the con. One disadvantage with Bluehost is, in terms of loading speed, Bluehost is not the best. Let's be factual. Bluehost is not the best, but of course the best for beginners. Yes, the best for beginners, because beginners don't have much resource to generate massive traffic. So that's why Bluehost is really good for beginners. So that's it for Bluehost. In this video description, I'll be giving you some links and resources to work with. Okay, that's it. Pass on this information by clicking the share button, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe so that you can get notification from YouTube anytime we post a video. And also go back to our channel and check the previous videos to get information you would like. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.